Hey guys, Nick here. Um, just giving you a preview of my next project. This is a Mongoose BMX bicycle. Gonna make another friction dry bike out of it. These actually sell pretty good around here, and I have a lot of fun doing these because I have more free reign of what I want to do. Right now I'm just laying it out. Have several motors here, just kind of figuring it out. It's a slow, snowy day, and I can take my time with this. Right here I narrowed it down to 2 motors. This one is a Ryobi 31cc weed eater motor. I've worked with these engines before. They go by like Ryobi. The older ones are IDC. Other brands use it. This is a Homelite 26 CS weed eater motor. Made my first motorized bike out of this. They're a good motor. Homelites are a good motor. Probably the best that I've used. 2 different styles of engine. This is a piston port. As you can see, the intake goes directly into the cylinder. This one is a crank case port intake. As you can see, you got a reed in there. You use these motors too. These motors are good motors too. I'm trying to think of what other brands use this type of motor. I think the Weed Eater brand used the motor similar to this. This is a Weed Eater motor. And the only reason why I'm not using this motor is because the exhaust you can't bolt an exhaust up to these motors. Well, I probably could. I could drill and tap it. But yeah, that's what we got going on. I hope you guys stay tuned. I would want to promise you that I would take you step by step, but if you see my other videos, you know that I get carried away. So, yeah, that's the plan. Stay tuned.